I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Toyota RAV4. If we go to music, it used to be called iTunes, now it's called music. Go to the bottom there and you'll see Toyota Touch 2. There's a tick next to it. That means whatever was playing on our phone, if we've got the right buttons pressed on the audio system, the music, the sound from here, whether it be YouTube sound or Spotify, will come through your system. So if we go to media, you'll see there it's already on the record that's playing, but there's a possibility that it could be on something else. I'll just put it on auxiliary, for instance. So this wouldn't play through that. We'll just go back, nav. So we go to media and it's on auxiliary. You want Bluetooth. So you click that little button in the bottom, then you select Bluetooth. That's showing this record. I'll turn this up. And then I'll put some volume on it here. And that's it. That's how you stream audio through the system, and it's a good system too. So thanks for watching.